Nice to be here. My name is Tom Wagner. We are here in the Lyle Center at Heriot-Watt University in Edinburgh. The Lyle Center is a new integrated research center at Heriot-Watt University. And we have the great opportunity for 2.5 days of deep scientific discussion. And we actually have in total 66 people joining this workshop. Half of them are here physically in the building at the moment, just one floor up. And the other half is actually online. And these people are all over the world. So we have people from Europe, from the US, and quite a big representation from South-East Asia. We are focusing on this big shelf area here to discuss a drilling strategy for scientific drilling of the Sunda Shelf, the largest shelf in the tropics today.
I'm Peter Clift. I'm a professor at University College London, and I work on the geology of Southeast Asia, especially around Vietnam. We have proposed doing this work which is focused on understanding how that area affects global climate. The problems that we come up with are you can't do drilling without appropriate subsurface geophysical surveys. Some of the questions are related to whether we're providing the right rationale for justifying this. Some of this I can fix myself about how we understand the weathering process. The other problem though is about sea levels, and they had technical questions about how it was that we were going to reconstruct sea level. There are some clever people upstairs who do know how to do that and have experience about explaining the nitty-gritty about how to extrapolate that into global sea level, or at least local sea level.
My name is Katja Hirschen. I'm a geologist, and I'm working for the International Continental Scientific Drilling Program. A geologist isn't trained in drilling or running projects, and so that's where, if we can, we help. So what's done here is, like kind of putting all the ideas from these different scientists coming from different disciplines into one pot, and trying to find an overarching question that's also relevant for society. So you need to put all that into a proposal, and we try to help with the operational part, and we have teams of scientists and administrators that then evaluate the proposal to see if if we think it's worth funding. So that would be the next step for the group. For us, is supporting them and then evaluating.
I'm Deborah, and I'm a postdoc researcher at Heriot-Watt University. It's quite interesting for me, but it's awesome to hear other type and what other researchers are doing. Great to learn about what you can do with this data that I never thought of. Climate research is so important nowadays, and looking at the past is a window to see what the future holds too. I would love to be part of the project, the report that comes from this, and be selected to go offshore. Never been with a IODP expedition before. It's a dream that all early research career researchers have. We all want to one day be there.
So we have two proposals which are relatively mature. We are trying here to see how we can further improve them. We would like to get them over the threshold. So that's task number one. Task number two is developing a completely new framework for this land to sea. We would like by tomorrow, when we close the workshop, have a clear strategy how we pull this together, how we maybe develop a document which summarizes the perspectives and the opportunities of land to sea drilling in the Sunda Shelf, and that is probably the guide then for developing independent drilling proposals as we move into the future.